Even though it's still raining in Oklahoma City, there is no point in staying at the hotel all day. So today I'm going to show you a beautiful place to relax, even on a cloudy day. I have a lot of footage for you guys, so many videos are coming out a bit delayed. In this episode we are visiting a lovely green space in spring, and it's truly just as beautiful as ever. If you are currently in Oklahoma City or have been here recently, let me know in the comments if the renovation work in this park has been completed. This area is a part of the Myriad Botanical Gardens, and at night it looks absolutely stunning with its lighting. Join us for a walk through this small but peaceful and hidden gem of a park. We will see flowers, ducks, fish in the pond, and simply take a moment to slow down and enjoy the atmosphere. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one.